So let me share my screen. I just shared my screen. Okay, yesterday, let me open this learning notes. So yesterday we discussed a select statement, okay, and where class we discussed, and also some logical operators like and, or, in, greater than, less than we discussed, right? So today you don't have any question, correct?
No, I don't.
Yeah. So that's great if you already practice, but if you are not practicing that, you are fooling yourself. I strongly recommend you practice it. Those who are new to SQL, I especially practice it. Then only you will be able to your job without any issues or hurdles, right? So otherwise you will see your job as a nightmare. Okay, practice these foundations, you will get your the knowledge. Okay, so recap. Yesterday we discussed select statement, how it works, right? So select followed by column list, select followed by column list, followed by from class, followed by table name. So this is the basic syntax. Okay, so select column list, from class, table name. We also used where class. Where class is optional. This is for filtering the data. Filtering the data we will use. So where class is optional, and that can be used in select class, select query, also update query, update with where class, delete with where class we discussed. Okay, and also we discussed some operators like equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, okay, not equal to or not equal to, these two are not equal to. And also we discussed and, or. Anything we discussed other than this? No, right? Are you following me?
Yes, we are following.
Okay, so today let's discuss so this today let's discuss sorting. So that is order by class, order by class, order by class, and some more operators like, you know, what are they? Is null, not, like, etc. Okay,
Max is also.
max is not an operator, that's a function. You mean to say max, right?
Yeah. Max, min.
That they are functions, they are functions. Okay, so if time permits, I will also discuss table alias, column alias, and then we go with the group by class. Okay, here we get the aggregate functions, like you said max function, min function, count function, and sum function, etc. We have so many functions, you have to explore. I'll tell the important things in our training. Okay, now let's get started. So you don't have any question in this, I just repeat it, right? So Let's start with sorting. Order by class. Okay, so order by class is also an optional clause in any select statement, select query. Okay, so this order by class is used to sort the data either in ascending order or in
Descending.
descending spelling correct only, no, descending order. Okay, so this is used with the select statement. This is used with the select statement as an optional. Like you can use it if you want, if you don't want you can also omit, but this can be used with the select statement, because in the select statement only we are fetching the data, right? So while fetching the data, I want to see that data in an order. So for that reason we will use the order by. Okay, so syntax. So syntax, at the end of select statement you have to write this order by. Then you can write columns. Order by column name. You can write column name, or you can write column position like 1 2 3 4, or you can also write an expression. Okay, followed by ascending short form ASC. We have to use ASC for ascending, or DESC for descending. Okay, followed by nulls first or nulls last. So this is optional. Okay, but this is mandatory. Order by column name or column position or expression is mandatory, but this is also optional. Like if you don't specify ascending or descending, by default it will take ascending only. Okay, I'll explain along with an example. Okay, let me connect to the database. Let me query, let me select my order table, order details, correct? Okay, now I have got the data. The way I inserted, I first inserted this record, so second record, third record, fourth record. Okay, so I want to select this data based on order ID in the descending order. Okay, how can I write that one? Select data based on order ID in descending order. I don't think you people do not know what is ascending order, descending order, right? That is just a basic topic. Ascending order means it's like alphabetical order from A to Z, or in numbers from 1 to so on. Descending order means it's Z to A if it is a number, if it is a alphanumeric. Okay, if it is a number means max number to min number. Okay, that's clear, right? Ascending order, descending order, general topic. Yes or no?
Oh, yes. Okay.
Ascending order means A, starting from A to Z if it is a text. If it is number, starting from 1 to, or minimum number to maximum number. Okay, this is reverse in descending. It is like Z to A and max number to min number. Okay, why it is not going home? Okay, Now what is my requirement? What is my requirement here? Select the data, order details data. It should display the data in order ID descending order. Like నాకు ఆర్డర్ ఐడి మ్యాక్స్ ఏముంది 400 ఫస్ట్ రావాలి, దెన్ 200, దెన్ 100. Then how can I write the query? Simple.
Select
Using
star.
select star from
Order details.
order details.
Order
Okay.
by.
Order by.
Order by
Order ID.
order ID
Descending.
descending.
DSC.
DESC. Okay. DESC is descending. Nulls first, nulls last, that is not required here. So that is optional. When you need, you can write that nulls first, nulls last. Okay. So let me execute this query. See, I got maximum number first, then 200, then 100. Correct? Yes. Now. So when I write select star from order details without this DESC, what happens? If you do not mention any order in the order by class, by default it will take
Ascending.
ascending order only.
Ascending order.
See here, 100, 200. Otherwise you can take any other column, like here we have item name, right? I want to select the data based on the item name order. Select star from order details. So it's item name. Okay. Select star from order details. Order by what?
Item name.
Item name. Okay. So I did not give any order. By default it will take ascending order. See, ascending order means C first. Chair started with C, then D, then E. You understood this order? Similarly, if you specify descending order, it will display in the reverse order, like E, D, C. Okay. So this data, like whatever the data that we have in our table, this is rearranged based on the order by. So here item name descending I put. So descending means these two. So randomly it will take any one first. This one, both are same, no? Anyways. So randomly it will take this one first and then E. Sorry, this one first, E first. This one, because it is starting with E, and then this second, this one third. Okay. When you take it as ascending, chair first, dining table second, this one third. Okay. Now I want to write based on quantity. Okay. Let me write first ascending. Select star from order details, order by quantity. Okay. So it's already in the order, but it gave same, like 1, 2, then null. So when you don't give order, which order it will take? Ascending. Excellent. Ascending. Okay. So nulls are given with ascending order also by default. Okay. Let me write descending first. Now I want to select in descending. Now which record will come first? Nulls are given high priority here. By default. But I don't want. I want numbers only in the descending order. Null should be coming last. How can I write that? Nulls last. Execute this one. So whatever the existing numbers that is arranged in descending, nulls kept last. nulls kept last. Okay, for example, select star from order details. So here numbers are arranged in ascending, right? Nulls kept last, right? I want nulls first. How can I write that? Order by quantity. Okay, order by quantity. I am getting my quantity in the ascending order, but nulls coming last. No, I want nulls first. How can I write? Nulls
Nulls first.
first.
This nulls first and nulls last should be written followed by order by, or you can write without order by also.
It should be followed with order by, because order by is the class that is arranging your selected data. First, what is happening whenever we are executing this query? This query is interacting with the database and fetching all the data from order details first. Okay, once all the order details are executed, then order by is performing on the data and rearranging the data. That's it, rearranging the data. This rearrangement is not written somewhere, it is just given as the result. Okay, let me try that one. I am not giving order by. Then how can you write order details nulls first? You should specify some column, right? So it's this order by is working based on the column list, column number, column position, column name. Okay, and also expression also, I said, right? Expression also. Now I want to here let me go back to item name. I want to do the sorting based on the item name, but I don't want to give the column name. I want to give the column number. How can I write that one? Select star from order details, order by. What I mentioned in the syntax? Either I can give column name, column position also I can give, right? So which position? How can I write that position? Select star from order details. Item name is which position? 1, 2, 3. Third position, right? What is that? Yeah, here. So just give 3 descending. It will work. Instead of writing complete item name, to save the time, you can just give the number. See, did it work? So similarly,
Yes.
ascending also you can do. See, it work. C, D, then E. Correct?
Yes.
So column name we can use, column number also we can use. So is this column number not based on the table definition? It is based on the list that is coming here. What I am trying to say this? What is that you are trying to say? I am trying to say select should be followed by column list, right? I want to give like this: item name, item ID, order ID, quantity from order details. Okay, order by. I want to order based on this item name. So now which number I have to give? I have to give 3 or 1 or 2, or what is the number?
1.
1. Yeah. So
One.
this column position is based on the select followed by the column list. If this item name is coming in this position, then you have to give 3. But I rewrite the query. Item name is coming as column 1, so you should give column 1. This order by is not working based on the table definition column. It is working based on this select column list. I hope that is clear. Okay. Now let's see. See here, chair, dining table, and English grammar book. If I put descending, English grammar book, dining table, chair. Okay. Similarly, if you want to give it for item ID, you have to give 2. If you want to give it for order ID, you will have to give
3.
3. Okay, this number, the column, is not based on the table definition. It's not based on the table definition. It is based on the select column list. What are the columns you are selecting? In that column list, what you want to order. Okay, so if you see, if this is changed, for example, I am ordering based on the item ID. Ascending means this record A is first, right? This record will come first, and which record will come second? I am doing order
B212.
B212. So as B212 is coming in the second order for item ID, this record will come as second, and D is the third one. So these two records will come as third and fourth. Okay. So everything is performed and fetched based on the row by row. Correct. So now I want to select order details. Okay, now I don't want to get the otherwise I want to get the quantity records, null records. Wherever quantity is not provided in this table, I want to fetch that records. Okay, so for that we will use this option, is null option. What I am trying to say, I want to get select the order details, okay, with the quantity where quantity is not provided. That means what? Wherever there is no quantity, I want to select those records. That means which record? Let me execute this one. So these two records I want. That means third record and fourth record I want. Correct? How can I write that select statement?
Select star from order details. Where?
So here I need to filter the data, right? For filtering we use where class. That's what we learned yesterday. One second. Please close the door, okay? Okay. So I want to fetch this third and fourth record. As of now, yesterday we learned, if you want to filter quantity, we are giving, what we are giving? Quantity equal to 1 or quantity equal to 2 we are giving, correct? But null is not any value. Null is nothing. We cannot give anything like this. Quantity equal to null. It will not work. Did it work? No. So for that you have to use this operator. Is null. You have to use. What you have to use? Is null to fetch the null records in the select statement. Is null. Not equal to null. It is null. Okay. When you are trying to fetch the records or any column with null values, you have to give is null. Okay. Now see, did it return those two records? Yes. Select star from order details. Order details table lo quantity provide చేయని రికార్డ్స్ అంటే క్వాంటిటీ బ్లాంక్ అని కూడా అనొద్దు, క్వాంటిటీ నాట్ ప్రొవైడెడ్ రికార్డ్స్, క్వాంటిటీ నల్ ఉన్న రికార్డ్స్ ఫెచ్ చేయాలి అని అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ద క్వెరీ. సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆర్డర్ డీటెయిల్స్ వేర్ క్వాంటిటీ ఈజ్ నల్. సీ హియర్ గైస్, ఇక్కడ 400 కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, దిస్ ఈజ్ వాల్యూ. D123 ఈజ్ వాల్యూ, డైనింగ్ టేబుల్ ఈజ్ ఎ వాల్యూ, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ డేట్ వాల్యూ, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ అమౌంట్ వాల్యూ. ఇక్కడ పెరాంథసిస్లో నల్ అని ఉంది కదా, దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎ వాల్యూ, దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎ వాల్యూ, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ నల్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎ వాల్యూ. You have to give is null. ఈజ్ నల్ అంటే నల్ వాల్యూస్ ఇవి ఫిల్టర్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఓకే, నౌ మై రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ఆపోజిట్. నౌ select the order details where quantity is provided, అంటే ఇఫ్ ఐ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ దిస్ క్వెరీ, ఈ క్వెరీ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తే ఇందులో 4 రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 4 రికార్డ్స్లో 2 రికార్డ్స్కి క్వాంటిటీ ఉంది, ఇంకొక 2 రికార్డ్స్కి క్వాంటిటీ లేదు. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ క్వెరీ వి ఫెచ్డ్ 2 records where quantity is not provided. Okay, for that we have written where quantity is null. One second, I am getting it for 1 second. Okay, so we are discussing is null, correct? Is my voice audible?
Yes.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes.
Fine, thank you. So ఆర్డర్ డీటెయిల్స్ టేబుల్లోంచి ఆర్డర్ అవైలబుల్ లేని రికార్డ్స్ కావాలి. సో ఫర్ దాట్ ఐ యూజ్డ్ ఈజ్ నల్ ఆపరేటర్, బికాస్ null is not equal to any value. Null is not equal to null also. Null is not equal to itself. Okay, so that is the reason if I give quantity is equal to null, I am not getting the records. Okay, so you have to use this logical operator only, is null. So then only you will get those 2 records. Now my next requirement is opposite to that. I want to see order details data where quantity is provided. So in any record quantity is not there, means I don't want to fetch that record. How can we write that one? Select star from order
Select
details
star from order details
quantity.
where quantity is not null.
Is not null.
Quantity is not null.
Null.
Quantity is not null. See this one. So this not is also
Semicolon.
an operator. Not is also an operator. Okay. So is null, opposite is not null. So is null ante value leni records. We are filtering the quantity without any value. So where quantity is not null means quantity is having some other value, but it is not null. It is not null. ఇందులో ఏమైనా ఉండని వాల్యూ 1 2 a b c d whatever it is, but this is not null. That is the meaning of this condition. Okay, any questions?
Once you select the star from order details, quantity descending, item name descending. Once you execute
Item name
descending. Okay.
What is the question?
What is the question, Vinay? No problem, you can ask. Either
Select the star from order details.
Okay.
By name it is descending is the node. In previous carry is there. Once you go up,
Okay, let me go up. One second.
item name by descending is the node.
Item name descending ఉంది. ఓకే, ఇది
Yeah,
ఐటమ్
that
నేమ్
in the execute end.
దీని కింద ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలా?
అదే descending, item name descending ఉంది కదా, అది execute.
ఒకసారి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయండి అంటుంది. ఐటమ్ వన్ డిసెండింగ్.
ఓకే ఫైన్. యా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్. సో ఐటమ్ నేమ్ డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో వచ్చింది. సో
It previously showed chair here. Before dining it showed chair. So I want to just confirm.
No, it did not show any chair. For example, here, you want to filter out these 2 records, then you will see English and chair, because ఈ 2 records filter అయిపోయినాయి కదా, క్వాంటిటీ ఫిల్టర్ చేసాం, నాట్ నల్. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ డౌట్? క్లియర్ అయిందా నీ డౌట్?
Yes, is clear.
Okay, fine. So now I want to use where clause and order by clause. Both clauses I want to use. అంటే I want to filter it filter it and sort it. Filter and sorting, filtering and sorting. So here order is first where clause will come, after that only order by clause. Okay, order by clause is the last clause of your select statement. Order by clause is the last clause of your select statement. Okay, so now I want to filter as well as sort it. So em cheyali nenu filter, select, fetch the records, select records, where quantity is provided, and then sort based on item name. ఓకే, జస్ట్ పైన రెండు సెపరేట్ క్వెరీస్ రాసాం కదా, దాన్ని కంబైన్ చేయమని అంటున్నాను నేను అంతే. వాట్ వీ వాంట్ టు డూ, క్వాంటిటీ ఫిల్టర్ చేసి ఐటమ్ నేమ్ని సార్ట్ చేయండి. ఎలా చేస్తాం అన్నది, సెలెక్ట్, సింపుల్, సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆర్డర్ డీటెయిల్స్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వేర్ క్లాస్, వేర్ అండ్ ఆర్డర్ బై, వేర్లో వేర్ ఫస్ట్ వస్తుంది, ఆర్డర్ బై లాస్ట్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, వేర్ క్లాస్ ఏం ఫిల్టర్ చేయాలి, quantity is provided, that means quantity has some value, it is not null. So quantity is not null, okay. Any other filter we have, ఇంకేమైనా filter conditions ఉన్నాయా, no. Then sort based on item name, order by item name. So first ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇంతవరకు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాను నేను. ఇంతవరకు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయగానే ఏమొచ్చింది, 2 రికార్డ్స్ ఇగ్నోర్ అయిపోయినాయి, ఫిల్టర్ అయిపోయినాయి. సో క్వాంటిటీ అవైలబుల్ ఉన్న, క్వాంటిటీలో వాల్యూ ఉన్న రికార్డ్స్ వచ్చినాయి, రైట్. దెన్ ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు ఆర్డర్ బై ఐటమ్ నేమ్. ఐటమ్ నేమ్లో ఏమున్నాయి, ఇంగ్లీష్ గ్రామర్ బుక్ అండ్ చైర్. సో నేను ఐటమ్ నేమ్లో ఆర్డర్ చేస్తున్నా. బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఏ ఆర్డర్లో వస్తుంది, ఐటమ్ నేమ్ అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో వస్తుంది, అంటే చైర్ పైకి వస్తుంది, ఫస్ట్ రికార్డ్ కిందికి వస్తుంది. సో రైట్. So this is how you combine, like select star from order details, where class followed by order class. Okay, now let's go back to HR database. Here we have lot many tables for our practice. Countries, departments, employees, job history, jobs, locations, regions. So using these 7 tables, yeah, 7 tables, we can practice all types of commands, especially the select queries. Select star from employees. Okay, so employees, how many records we have, 107 records, I believe. Yeah, it's showing only 100. 107 records. Okay, so you can play with this data, like what I said. For example, select star from employees. Okay, where I want to fetch a salary greater than 10,000. Salary greater, see here 24,000 is there, 17 is there, 9 is there, 6 is there, 4,800 is there, right. I want to fetch ఎంప్లాయీస్ విత్ శాలరీ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 10,000. అంటే ఏ ఎంప్లాయీకి అయితే శాలరీ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 10,000 ఉందో ఆ రికార్డ్స్ మాత్రమే ఫెచ్ అవుతాయి. సో దోస్ రికార్డ్స్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ 15 రికార్డ్స్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 107. గాట్ ఇట్. నౌ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఆర్డర్ దీస్ రికార్డ్స్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద ఎంప్లాయీ ఫస్ట్ నేమ్. ఎంప్లాయీకి ఒక ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ కాలం ఉంది, లాస్ట్ నేమ్ కాలం ఉంది, రైట్. ఐ వాంట్ టు ఆర్డర్ బై బేస్డ్ ఆన్ first name. How can I write that one? Order by first name. Otherwise I can give order by 2 also. Correct? Execute. See here, first Alberto, then Clara, then Den, then Eleni, then Ellen. Okay, this way we got it. And their salary is greater than 10,000. Correct. Now can I give more than one order by, like more than one column in the order by? Yes, you can give. Just comma, you have to write and give the next column, right? So now what I want to do, I want to order based on ID and otherwise name and ID. సో ఇక్కడ మీరు చూడండి, నేను నేమ్ మీద ఆర్డర్ చేశాను, రైట్? సో ఇక్కడ నేమ్ ఓన్లీ ఈ నేమ్ మీద రికార్డ్స్ అన్నీ రీఅరేంజ్ అయినాయి. అంటే ఆల్బర్టో అనేది ఫస్ట్ రికార్డ్ కాబట్టి 147 ఎంప్లాయీ ఐడి ఫస్ట్ వచ్చింది, కరెక్ట్? క్లారా ఏ తర్వాత బితో లేదు, దెన్ సిలో క్లారా ఉంది, రైట్? క్లారా రికార్డ్ 162 అయింది కదా, దెన్ ఇట్ కేమ్ సెకండ్, దెన్ ఎలెనీ, కరెక్ట్? సో నౌ నేను ఏం చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నానంటే, సో దీని తర్వాత కూడా ఏదైనా చేంజ్ ఉందా? సో దట్ మీన్స్ ఐ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ డూప్లికేట్స్ హియర్. ఇక్కడ ఉంటే నేను ఆ సినారియో చెప్పొచ్చు. ఓకే ఫైన్. సో నౌ లెట్స్ లీవ్ దిస్. ఐ విల్ టేక్ వన్ మోర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ ఆర్డర్ బై క్లాస్లో 2 కాలమ్స్ తీసుకోవచ్చా లేదా, దాన్ని ఎలా చూపెట్టాలి. ఫర్ దట్ డెమాన్స్ట్రేషన్ ఐ విల్ టేక్ దిస్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్. ఓకే, సెలెక్ట్ ఎంప్లాయీ టేబుల్, ఓకే, అండ్ ఆర్డర్ బై otherwise like this. In this select filter employees whose salary is more than 7,000, okay, more than 7,000, and arrange sort based on job ID in job ID, okay, in ascending, okay. Who will tell me the query for this? Let me repeat the requirement. I want to select the employee table. In that employee table I want to fetch only employees whose salary is greater than 7,000, and after selecting those employees order the data based on the job ID in ascending order. Who can
You
tell
don't
me
want all columns?
Select
Start
Hello?
from employees where
salary
greater than 7,000.
salary greater than 7,000. Excellent.
Order
Order by job ID ascending.
జాబ్ ఐడి అసెండింగ్. సో జాబ్ ఐడి అసెండింగ్ అని ఇచ్చినా ఒకటే కాలం ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ అసెండింగ్ అని ఇవ్వకపోయినా ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ అసెండింగ్ ఓన్లీ, ఓకే. బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్. క్లియర్? ఎక్సలెంట్ గైస్. సో సీ దిస్, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? జాబ్ ఐడి ఈజ్ నాట్ అవైలబుల్.
Okay, semicolon. You missed.
సెమికాలన్.
Job ID is wrong.
యా, జాబ్ ఐడి ఇస్ నాట్, బికాజ్ జాబ్ అండర్స్కోర్ ఐడి.
Job ID underscore ID.
Okay. Okay, now you got what? Yeah, see. So ఇక్కడ all employees whose salary is greater than 7,000 అవి మాత్రమే వచ్చినాయి, రైట్? హౌ మెనీ? అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 107 44 రికార్డ్స్ ఫిల్టర్ అయినాయి. ఫిల్టరింగ్ ఈజ్ ఫైన్, ఎక్సలెంట్. దెన్ సార్టింగ్. దేని మీద సార్ట్ చేసినాం మనం? జాబ్ ఐడి మీద సార్ట్ చేసినాం. సో ఫస్ట్ అకౌంట్, దెన్ అకౌంట్ మేనేజర్, అకౌంట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్, అకౌంట్ వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్, దెన్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ అకౌంట్, దెన్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ మేనేజర్, ఓకే, ఐటీ ప్రోగ్రామర్, ఓకే. సో ఇలా మార్కెటింగ్ మేనేజర్, ఓకే, ప్రీ సేల్స్ రిప్రజెంటేటివ్, ఇలా వచ్చినాయి జాబ్ ఐడీస్, రైట్? సో ఐ వాంట్ టు ఎన్హాన్స్ మై ఆర్డరింగ్. సో ఈ ఆర్డర్ అయింది కదా, ఈ ఆర్డర్ అయిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ చూడండి, యూ హ్యావ్ 4 రికార్డ్స్ హియర్. ఫైనాన్షియల్ అకౌంట్, ఇక్కడ 2 రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ 2 రికార్డ్స్కి ఎంప్లాయ్ ఐడి ఆర్డర్లో లేదు. 102 తర్వాత 101 ఉంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది డిసైడింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అనుకుందాం. చెక్ దిస్ వన్. సో ఇట్స్ 109, 110, 1111 ఇలా ఉంది, ఓకే, దట్స్ ఫైన్. అదర్వైజ్ లెట్స్ టేక్ అనదర్ వన్. ఎక్కడన్నా ఆర్డర్లో మిస్ అయిందా? యా, ఇక్కడ ఆర్డర్ మిస్ అయింది కదా. సి హియర్ ఏడీవీపీ డిసైడింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉంది. అదే ఇది దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఇన్ డిసైడింగ్ ఆర్డర్. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ జంబుల్డ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉంది. సో వాట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు డూ, ఆఫ్టర్ ఫెచింగ్ ద శాలరీ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 7,000 ఫిల్టర్, order by job ID, after that order by employee ID. How can I include that one? Simple. Select star from employees. మీకు అర్థమైందా రిక్వైర్మెంట్? షెల్ ఐ రిపీట్?
Yes.
సో శాలరీ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 7,000 తర్వాత జాబ్ ఐడి మీద ఆర్డర్ చేసిన తర్వాత సో ఈ 4 ఎంప్లాయీస్ లైక్ 4 రైట్, దీస్ 4 ఎంప్లాయీస్ okay whose id is 109 10 110 111 112 and their name is Daniel, John, Ismail and Jose Manuel. okay సో ఈ ఎంప్లాయీస్ అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉన్నారు. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏడీవీపీ దీస్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ based on the employee ID these are in descending order. I want to have only one order. సో నాకు ఏంటంటే ఆఫ్టర్ జాబ్ ఐడి ఆల్సో ఆర్డర్ దెమ్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద ఎంప్లాయీ ఐడి. ఈ జాబ్ ఐడి తర్వాత ఈ ఎఫ్ఐ అకౌంట్లో ఫస్ట్ ఎంప్లాయ్ ఎవరు, సెకండ్ ఎంప్లాయ్ ఎవరు, థర్డ్ ఎంప్లాయ్ ఎవరు, ఫోర్త్ ఎంప్లాయ్ ఎవరు, ఇన్ దట్ ఆర్డర్ వీ షుడ్ గెట్. ఏడీవీపీలో కూడా 1 ఫస్ట్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఐడి ఫస్ట్ షుడ్ కమ్ ఫస్ట్, సెకండ్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఐడి షుడ్ కమ్ సెకండ్. సో I can include both columns here, job ID ascending, okay, comma. You have to give your column name, order, then comma, okay, comma, employee underscore ID ascending. okay, now see the difference. See here, సింగిల్ రికార్డ్ ఉన్నదానికి డిఫరెన్స్ తెలియదు మీకు. 2 రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నది చూడండి. 101 ఫస్ట్ వచ్చి 102 సెకండ్ వచ్చిందా, ఇందాక ఇది రివర్స్ ఉంది, కరెక్ట్. సో దెన్ ఇవి ఆల్రెడీ కరెక్టే ఉన్నాయి ఇందాక అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో. దెన్ విల్ సీ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఇక్కడ సేల్స్ మేనేజర్, సేల్స్ రిప్రజెంటేటివ్, సేల్స్ మేనేజర్. సీ హియర్ ఆర్డర్లో వచ్చిందా 145, దెన్ 146, దెన్ 147, దెన్ 148, దెన్ 149, కరెక్ట్. సో ఐ కెన్ గివ్ ఇన్ 2 డిఫరెంట్ ఆర్డర్స్. జాబ్ ఐడి అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో రావాలి, బట్ నాకు ఎంప్లాయీ ఐడి డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో రావాలి. ఈజ్ దట్ పాసిబుల్?
Yes.
Yes, it is. See here, ADVP. See 102, 101. This one you see 112, 111, 110, 109. Okay. Sales manager. See here, reverse order 149. Sales manager job ID లో 5 ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఉన్నారు. దేర్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఐడి స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ 145 to 149. ఇందాక నేను అసెండింగ్ ఇస్తే 145, 146, 147, 148, 149 వచ్చింది. నౌ ఐ చేంజ్ ఇట్ టు డిసెండింగ్. నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ 149, 148, 147, 146, 145. దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ యూ సార్ట్ ఇట్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ మల్టిపుల్ కాలమ్స్. ఈస్ దిస్ క్లియర్?
Yes.
ఓకే. సో యూ కెన్ చేంజ్ ద ఆర్డర్ యాజ్ యూ విష్. లైక్ ఇక్కడ నేను డిసెండింగ్ ఇస్తా. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇవ్వను. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇవ్వకపోతే ఏం ఆర్డర్లోకి వెళ్తుంది ఎంప్లాయీ ఐడి? బై డిఫాల్ట్గా
Ascending order.
Ascending.
ఓకే. నౌ యూ సీ జాబ్ ఐడీస్ ఎస్టీ మేనేజర్. సీ హియర్, ఎస్టీ మేనేజర్లో 3 ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఉన్నారు. దేర్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఐడి స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ 120. సో ఆర్డర్లో వచ్చింది 120, 121, 122. సేల్స్ రిప్రజెంటేటివ్, so many employees are there. Their employee ID came in ascending order. Okay, so this way. Otherwise you can, if you want to do the further sorting based on name also, you can do this one, first underscore name. Now see, ST manager 3 employees, their name is sorted. See, F first, where is that? Sorry, this one. A first, M next, P last. Similarly, sales representative, ALL first, ALY second. Then C we have 2, CH first, CL second. Then we have DA 2, D2 and DA also 2. After that N we have, we have N first, V next. I believe you are understanding this order and the functionality of this order, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so that is order by. In this order by you can write column name or column position. Okay, order type, ascending order or descending order. If you specify descending, it will be done in descending. If you don't specify anything, it will take as by default ascending order.
Ascending.
So when you specify ascending order, by default nulls will come in the last if there are any nulls. If you want to make that nulls come first, you have to write nulls first. Okay, and if you make any column descending, nulls will come first. If you want to make that nulls come at the end, you have to mention nulls last. Okay, here I mentioned. Where is that? Where is that here? Yeah, here. Nulls first or nulls last. This is optional. If you want, you can mention it. Okay, if you don't mention ascending or descending, it will take by default ascending. If you don't mention, it will take by default. By default it is ascending. Okay, we discussed column name, we discussed column position. How can we do order by based on the expression? Let's try that one. Order by based on expression. Okay, select star from employees where what I want, salary greater than 5,000. Okay, execute this one. So salary greater than 5,000, I got so many records. Okay, now I want to order based on an expression, order by salary, and we have some. Okay, I want to remove this one also. Commission percentage, you see this commission PCT is commission percentage. We have some values and we have some nulls, correct? I want to avoid these null values. How can I write that one query?
Is not null. Order by is not null.
Is not null. Sorry, is null.
I want to avoid those nulls.
Is null.
Is not null. Is null
not
means
null.
you will get those null records. Is
Yeah,
not
sorry,
null
I
means
got
you
bit
will
confused.
Yeah, don't get confused. Is null means you will get that null values. Is not null means you will get negation of that. What is we call? Negation of that. Not null values you will get. But tell me how to write the query.
Order by
See,
is not
I
null.
want to filter first. So order means sorting.
Yeah. A comma. Now
And excellent. And
commission per PCT
commission percentage
is not null.
is not null. Okay, now let's try this one. See, I got salary greater than 5,000 and commission is not null. Okay, now I want to sort based on salary plus commission. How can I do that? See, order by salary plus commission percentage. See this, salary and commission, it is plus, it is ordered 6,100 0.1, 7,000 0.15, 0.25.
We can give plus also in place of comma.
So it's not like in place of comma, it's like an expression, like okay, I will give like this. Instead of giving another this one I'll put what I can do, salary plus 100. This is an expression, right? Anything you are
Yeah.
doing some arithmetic operations, that is called
Yeah,
x plus
that
y
is
means expression.
expression.
10 plus 20 means expression. Okay, 20 minus 10 means is an expression. Okay, a plus b minus c, this is all called expression, correct? So what I am saying, in this order by you can give expression also. In this order by you can give expression also. So I am ordering salary. So some salary I want to add some 100. So this one also I can do. Basically it will come in the ascending order only. Okay. When I give commission percentage, what is happening?
Acha, commission percentage is getting added.
So commission percentage is getting added, and that is given as in that order it is given. For example, where is that here? Yeah, here. You see, salary is getting added with commission. Okay, we have two records. 0.2, 0.3. So 8,000, 0.2, 8,000, 0.3.
Rachna, you want to drink wine?
Please go on mute, please.
Sorry.
Yeah, 8,000 plus 2. 8,000 plus 0.3. After combining these two values, it is giving in the order. That's what I am trying to say. ఈ రెండు ప్లస్ అయిపోతున్నాయి. ప్లస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఈ ఆర్డర్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే. So I am not saying this we are ordering this one and this one. No, we are not ordering based on those two. We are combining these two using place. We are ordering here. You can also do like this.
It is getting added first and then it is ordered.
Correct. So it is getting added first. Now in this case it is getting subtracted from salary. This commission is subtracted from salary and getting sorted out. So here if you see 7,000 from 7,000 0.25 is subtracted first, because this record 7,000.
Okay, but it is not showing here what is the value we get after subtracting, correct?
No, we are just using as part of order only. We are not doing anything. Okay, but this is very rare in the real time use. We can I just want to demonstrate we can use the expression also.
Yeah, because I'm not getting it. Means it is not getting, we are not getting the value. It is like in an imaginary thing only it is getting minus and then it is ordered by and we are seeing that values, correct?
Correct. So once this data is fetched into one place, on top of it this order by is performed and the records are getting rearranged. ఇక్కడ నేను సాలరీ ప్లస్ కమిషన్ పర్సంటేజ్ పెట్టినప్పుడు, సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి 7,000 7,000 7,000 దీస్ 3 రికార్డ్స్ 178 160 155 161 వచ్చినాయి కదా. దిస్ ఈస్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ వాట్ 7,000 ప్లస్ 0.15 7,000 ప్లస్ 0.15 7,000 ప్లస్ 0.25. సో 7,000 ఇది ఈ వాల్యూతో ప్లస్ చేసినప్పుడు ఈ రెండు రికార్డ్స్ ఫస్ట్ వస్తాయి, దెన్ ఈ రికార్డ్ లాస్ట్ వస్తుంది, బికాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్. బట్ అదే మైనస్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, ఈ రికార్డ్ ఫస్ట్ వస్తుంది, ఈ రెండు రికార్డ్స్ లాస్ట్ వస్తాయి. ఎందుకు?
కమిషన్ ఈస్
బికాస్ కమిషన్ అనేది దీంట్లోంచి సబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఆర్డర్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకనంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూ ట్రీట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ 25, యూ ట్రీట్ దిస్ యాజ్ 15. ఓకే, 7,000లో 25 తీసేస్తే 6,975 ఉంది ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, అండ్ దెన్ ఈ 15 తీసేస్తే 6,985 ఉంది. సో 75 is small number, ascending order. 85 is big number, descending order. For example, if I do like this, where is my 7,000? Yeah, ikkada ila vastundi. Okay, any doubts here?
No.
Anyone else?
No.
Okay, great. You just explore this one. Okay, but this is really rare. We always use one column or more than one column only. Okay, so but we have an option in the Oracle that you can use the expression also, but not sure when that is used in the real time. Okay, so this is how we do order by. Next table alias. Did we miss anything? Let me check. We discussed is null. Okay, is not null also. Just we added this not here, that is not null. Like this is also very important. Like, okay. For example, select star from employees. So if I want to filter the data based on the first name or last name or email, okay, especially for any numbers, for phone number, this is also text value, okay, for job ID, what I have to give? I have to give that first name equal to that value. For example, let me order the employee data based on first name. So what I am getting? I am getting first name in the order: Adam, Alana, Alberto, Alexander. Alexander we have two values. Okay. So Alexis, Alan, right? The names starting with AL, how many records are there? 3 records. But those 3 are different names: Alberto and Alexander Hunold, Alexander Koo. Correct? So now this like operator is used to fetch similar value instead of same value. In similar value, what we are doing? First name equal to Alana, small letters, right? Alana, unit cap, Alana. So that means when I give this filter first name equal to Alana, I will get this record only. Agree with me? Guys, when I filter the table
Yes.
with this condition, first name equal to Alana, I will get only this one record. Correct? Yes. So
Yes.
if I give like this, first name equal to Alberto, I get only this record. Correct?
Yes.
Excellent. So if I give this name, what I will get? I'll get these 2 records out. Correct? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I have a requirement where I don't know the first name exactly. I don't know what is that name, but I have some clue. Select the employees whose first name is starting with AL. That means his name can be Ali, his name can be Alana, his name can be Alberto, his name can be Alexander, or whatever it is. But I want those employees whose name is starting with AL. You understand? So now
Yes.
the requirement only. How can I get that record? I don't know the first name exactly. If I know the first name, I directly go and write first name equal to the value. But in my requirement, I don't know what is the first name. But I want to select the employees based on one clue. What is that clue? That clue is that employee name starts with AL. So that means I want to fetch all the employees whose name starts with AL. He can be Ali, he can be Alana, he can be Alberto, he can be Alexander. So in that case, we will use like operator. Okay. So that like operator works like this. Like, okay, in single quotes, you will give your clue. What is that? AL. Okay. So after this AL, we have a string. So you have to give some percentage. Before this AL, if you have a string, you have to give this. Otherwise, if it is starting with AL only, you no need to give this string. Okay. So now let's write this. Select select star from employees. I want to fetch select employees data and also filter based on first name. The first name should start with first name like AI. Okay, so it did not give any record. Why B? Sorry, this is AL, small l. Okay, so it did not give any record because
percentage.
after AL we still have some letters. We still have some values here, correct? For that we don't know what is that value, so we have to give the percentage. Now you see Alexis, Alberto, Alexander, Alyssa, Alexander, Alan, Alana. So all these records we have got. So we are trying to fetch the employees record whose first name is starting with AL. So for that we have to use like operator, and in the single quotes whatever the starting keyword we have, that starting keyword you have to give. This is not a keyword, this is a string expression AL, and followed by you have to give percentage. So this percentage is checking for this AL is searched in all the A names, and wherever there is AL and followed by some string, so this can continue with some string. This percentage means this can continue with some strings. Okay, so that it is taking all these first names. For example, if I am giving like this, it is not, sorry. For example, if I am giving like this without any percentage, it is almost like equal to only. This is almost like equal to only. So that like should come with this string expression preceding with percentage or succeeding with percentage. You have to give like this. Okay. For example, I am giving A. Names starting with A. I will get like this. Okay. Names starting with A. I got Amit also. I got Adam also. I got Amit, Adam, Anthony also. Correct? You are getting this point? Names starting with A but ending with anything.
Yes.
Ending with anything we did not mention.
Yes.
Okay. Now I want name starting with A, ending with also A. How can I write that one? Ending with
A
also
percentage A.
A percentage A. Okay. So I am expecting these two values. Alyssa, Alana. Any other? No. Alyssa, Alana. Let me check whether I will get it or not. See, you got it. So this percentage is any value. We don't know. We are not sure what is that value. So this first name should start with A, end with small a. So starting with capital A, ending with small a. Okay. So you can also check this one. Starting with capital A, ending with R. I got Alexander. Okay. So this way you have to write this like operator. You have to use this like operator. Okay. Okay, so here we can use like with percentage or underscore. So percentage can match with any like 0 or more character pattern, whereas underscore is can match with match with any single char. Okay, so what is meant by that? Select star from employees where first name like, okay, first name like underscore a, small a, percentage. Can you explain me this if you already know? Otherwise I will explain. Don't worry.
Yes. Means starting should be any character, any single character. Then second one should be A, and then any number of characters.
Excellent. I really appreciate. See, underscore means it can expect any single character. That can be any character. Okay, but it is only single character. That means this first name is looking for any name that is having small a as its second character. Small a as its second character. Okay, and this percentage, as I mentioned here, it can have any one or more. It can be one or more character string pattern. Like after this a, b, c, d, a, b, c, anything can be there. But it can be one or more character. But here percentage means only one character. So here this query, it will fetch the records. It will fetch the records with first name whose first name has small a as the second character. If you take my name, SATHISH, so this will match this condition. Correct or wrong?
Yes.
Correct.
Because
Yes.
second
Yes,
character, see this underscore is taken for this first character. We don't know what is that. We don't know. We are least bothered about first character. We have just given underscore. Okay. Second character should be A. So it will fetch those records. See here, David, second character A. Okay. Valli, Nancy, Daniel, Karen. Okay. What if I give 2 underscore? Can you tell me what it will give?
Too late.
Third character as A.
Excellent.
Third character is
Any first name contains third character as small a. Okay. Let me check if there is any. Yes, we have Diana, Adam, Shanta, Clara. I think it's Shanta. Okay. So this is how underscore will work. Okay. What if I give this percentage here? What is this meaning? What is its meaning?
In the middle of the word, it should be a n number of characters before and after the.
No. Means in the name it should contain A.
Excellent. See here what I said. Percentage can match 0 or more. That means here there is no character. Also fine. If there is some character, one or more characters, that is also fine. So here the same percentage. But underscore, what I mentioned, definitely one character should be there. Okay. So I gave percentage a percentage. That means any name, it has small a either in the first place or in the last place or in anywhere of in that character it should give. So that means A I will get, BA I will get, AB I will get, BAC also I will get, CAB also I will get. You understood? A, if you take this value, A is matching A, but before percentage is given, so that's okay. Percentage is 0 or more characters. This will match. So BA, this will match. AB, this will match. BAC. So percentage A percentage means in any string, if A is there in any place, go and fetch it. Go and fetch it. See here, Nina, A is there at the end. Alexander, A is in the middle. David, A is in the second place. Okay, here A is at the third place and fifth place. like this. You understood this one?
Yes.
Excellent. Now,
Okay.
now let me tell you, let me write one query and let me ask you the meaning of that. Employees where first name like, okay, like underscore a underscore. What is meant by this?
The
It should
name should
contain
contain only
second
three
character.
letters.
Excellent. The
Three
name,
letters.
we are trying to fetch name with 3 letters
Three
only.
letters only.
3 letters only, and
With second letter as A.
and second letter should be A.
Yeah.
I'm not sure ఈ రికార్డ్ మన దగ్గర ఉందో లేదో, బట్ ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ ట్రైంగ్. యా వీ హ్యావ్ PAT pat. So what is it trying to see? It is trying to check. You understood the difference between these two? It is trying to check for 3 characters only. Underscore is for one character, A is for another character, another underscore is for another character. Total 3 characters. It is trying to look for a 3 character in first name, and small a should be the second character. So this is what it is. But here percentage a percentage means it is not a 3 character. It can be any character, like 1 or more. 1 or more. A can be at any place, first place, second place, or last place, or middle, anywhere. So that is what we are getting here. Okay? Understood? Now let's use the combination. Percentage A underscore. Can you tell me what is this?
The
Any number of
First letter is any
characters.
one, and the
last
second letter
before
is
the
A.
letter is small a.
Second last
The word
should
should
be
end with the last letter with small a.
second last
last-
should be
Correct.
Second
correct.
last.
Second
You all
letter
are
is
correct.
A.
You all are correct. I really appreciate your responding. So this is looking for a string of any length, because when you see this percentage means that can be any length. Okay, any length, that string, but there is one condition. Last but one char should be small a, should be small a. Okay, let's check. Do we have any name like this? Yes, we have. Sigal, Adam, Hayam. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. Let's check opposite way. I think we already discussed opposite way, right?
yes, we have discussed.
So this is looking for a string of any length, but the second character should be small a. Second character should be small a. So now let me just tweak this query. I'll just change this query. You tell me what it will do.
The second character should in the name is the second character should be small a and followed by
Small a.
one letter and
It is
Anything
same, yeah,
is-
it is same.
anything.
There is no difference between this and this.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, yes.
If you specify anything like this, then there is a difference. Can you tell me now?
Yes. The second
Second letter
character
is A, and fourth
fourth
letter
letter is
Fourth
B.
character should be B.
B.
Excellent. So it is looking for a string of any length, but the condition is second character should be A and fourth character should be B. I don't think there is a string like this, but I just given. Yeah, we don't have like that. Okay. I believe you understood this like operator with underscore and percentage. Okay. What this will do? Tell me what this will do. I am not giving any underscore. I am just giving like this. What this will do?
Only it will give the names of Adam.
So it will just like work as a equal to. It will work as equal to Adam. Okay. So let me tell you. So this like operator is used to search for any string pattern. Pattern. So in this single quotes we use underscore or percentage and we'll give our pattern values there. Okay. Any questions in this like? No, right? Okay.
No.
So let me quickly complete the other 2 points I mentioned. What is that? Table alias, column alias. This is very small concept but important one. So this group by class is very big concept. We will discuss this tomorrow. I'll remove this from today's topic. So let's talk about table and alias. Okay. Now I want to write select like this, employee underscore id comma first name comma last name. Last name, okay, email, otherwise I'll write select star from first, select star from employees. So this is called a normal select query on the table, right? So this table name can be given as some alias name, like I can give to shorten the name. To shorten the name. One second. Yeah. So to shorten the name. So further we can use like this, where e dot first name. Once table name is aliased, so this e refers to table only. E dot first name, okay, like ad execute. So you got this. So here I am not trying to explain on this, but I am trying to explain we can give alias to the table name. So when we discuss on the joins, then it will be helpful. Okay. And let me tell you column alias. Select okay, let me tell you, before that let me tell you one more table alias name here. Select star from order details. So if you are focused on my session, you can tell me the answer. If I execute, what I will get?
Nothing. In HR database, no
Nothing.
Excellent. So when I execute the select star from order details, the table does not exist because this table exists in another database called project source. Okay, but I can get that from here. I can select. One second, somebody is trying to join. Okay, so I can select by giving project underscore source dot. So this is schema name or database name dot table name. Let me try now. Still saying project source dot order details, project source dot order details. Okay, what I'll do, grant select on order details to HR. Grant succeeded. Okay, what I did, give select access on this database object to which database? HR database.
HRD.
Okay, now go to HR database. Now execute select star from project source dot order details. Did I get it?
Yes.
So what I did simply ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మీద ఆర్డర్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మీద సెలెక్ట్ ప్రివిలేజ్ హెచ్ఆర్ డేటాబేస్కి ఇచ్చిన నేను. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ హెచ్ఆర్ యూజర్. ఓకే, సో యాజ్ సూన్ యాజ్ ఐ గివ్ దిస్ యాక్సెస్ ఐఎమ్ ఏబుల్ టు యాక్సెస్ దిస్ ఫోల్డర్, దిస్ వన్ ఆర్డర్ డీటెయిల్స్. నౌ see here, select star from project source dot order details. Okay, I want to give alias name. I want to name this PSO. Okay, project source order details, otherwise OD, order details, to shorten the name. Okay, I am able to get the data right. Now I want to, when I refer the column name, I can refer like this, OD dot order ID, like this, 100. I got this. Okay, so I wanted to demonstrate that other schema table also I can show in this schema. For that I gave the grant access. What if I want to insert a record into project order details from HR? Can I do that? Insert into project source dot order details. Okay, values 500 C123, item name can be laptop, quantity is 10, order date is 15th July 2023, and delivery date is 17th July 2023. Okay, amount is 999.00. Okay, just a sample record. Can I execute? What it is saying? Insufficient privileges. An attempt was made to perform a database operation without the necessary privileges. Ask your database administrator or designated security administrator to grant you the necessary privilege. So that means you are trying to insert a record into this object. Okay, fine, but you don't have privilege because you are logging in from HR database. So here I can give insert privilege, means then you can access that. Select insert on order details to HR. Execute. Grant succeeded. Now go here. Execute. Execute this one. One row inserted. I am able to insert a record into other database table also, but for that what you need privilege, grant privilege. Okay, so if you want to select, you need to have select privilege. If you want to insert, you need to have insert privilege. If you want to update privilege, delete privilege. Okay, fine. So now table alias, just I am naming this table here, but we will use this as part of joins. Okay, now let me tell you column alias. Select star from employees E. So here I want to write employee ID. Okay, first name, last name. Okay, so this employee ID is a column name. Column name can be given as alias name. that means another name only for temporary purpose during this select query, as EI for employee ID. You can give any name, okay, just to shorten the name. FN first name, as LN, okay. Check whether this is working. See here, employee ID EI, FN first name, LN last name, okay. So just I gave the alias name. The original name is there in the database level. Just to shorten this, I have given like this, okay. You can also use anywhere like order by FN. See, order by FN. So I used alias name instead of first name. I used alias name here. It is working. So this will shorten the time for writing this first name. You can write simply by alias name. So this alias name can be given without as also, but it is recommended to give as, okay. You understood this? For example, I want to give like this, select employee ID. You will see the real use later, okay. First name, comma, salary from employees E. What you are getting here? Employee ID, name, salary you are getting. Now I want to generate annual salary. How can I do that? I want to show annual
Salary into 12.
Excellent. Salary into means this asterisk you have to use, asterisk. Shift 8, that is into. Okay, not X. X is not into. X is X only. Asterisk. Shift 8 means asterisk. Okay. Execute this one. What you got? Employee ID, first name, salary. Here salary into 12. Instead of giving the salary into 12, I want to give alias name as annual salary. Okay. Annual salary. See here. The readability is good. The readability is good. Annual salary 24,000 into 12, 17,000 into 12, 17,000 into 12, 6,000 into 12, like this. Okay. If I am not giving, the same expression is showing here as a column name. If I am giving alias name is shown as a column name. Is this column exist in our table?
No.
No, it's a temporary.
No.
It's a temporary column name. Okay. Okay. So what else I can tell you? We can give spaces also in this alias name, but that should be given in the double quotes. Let me try. See here, annual salary. But this is not recommended, but there is an option. If you are giving space, you should give in the double quotes. Otherwise, it will not work. If I remove this, see, from keyword not found where expected. So it will think that the comma is missed here. So you have to give double quotes if you are giving a space in the alias name. If you are giving a space in the alias name, you should give in the double quotes. But double space is not recommended. Space is not recommended. So you can give alias name. See here, annual salary. Okay. So that is what column alias. This is column alias and this is table alias. Going forward, you will understand the usage of this for table alias. Table alias we did not use anywhere, but we have used column alias here to show the usage. Correct? Okay. So that's it for today. So before we close this call, do you have any questions?